Today we're going to work on repairing or replacing a screen door or screen window. One of the tools you'll need will be a spline insertion tool, a hook, pick, and of course you'll need the replacement screen and the spline insert. And that's it. Let's get started. Remove the old screen mesh. Place a new screen loosely over the frame. Use the insertion tool to drive in a groove. Start working the spline into the mesh and locking it into the groove in the frame. Cutting the excess. Work your way around the frame. Make sure that the spline is firmly inserted. That'll also take up any slack on the screen. Continue cutting the excess all the way around. Be extra careful not to damage the new screen you're putting in, or else you have to replace it. And this is the same for either a screen door, screen window. Anything with a screen that has a groove, place for the spline to fit in, they're all the same. Same procedure. Take your time. Easy to do. Once you get the hang of the first one, the rest are easy. Same thing. Insert the mesh into the groove to hold it in place. Use the spline to lock it in place. And work your way around. The corners are the hardest part to work on because it has a tendency to try to come out. Just work back and forth on both sides of the 90-degree corner until it's firmly seated in place. And the further down you push into the groove, the tighter the screen will be. Take up any wrinkles. It'll give you that professional look. There you have it. You're all done. They're ready to install. Each window frame is a little bit different, so installation will depend on which frame you have. But just pay attention to how you remove it, and then just reverse the procedure to install it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, ciao for now.